शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। Tenth chapter, Nataka Deepa Prakarana. Totally how many Deepa Prakaranas are there? How many chapters are there in Panchadashi? 15. First 5 are, what are they called? Viveka Prakarana. Next 5, 6 to 10, Deepa Prakarana. And then 11 to 15 is Ananda Prakarana. So these 3 divisions have been made. In Deepa Panchaka means the group of 5 chapters which is related as Deepa. What is Deepa? A lamp. A lamp. Lamp is Deepa. Lamp means not our electric lamps. Illustration is from olden days. Oil lamps or electric lamp also. What is this role of a lamp? What does it do? To give light. In light we see everything. Likewise, here lamp in the sense Chaitanya Rupa Atma is compared to the lamp. Why? Because anything that we can experience or know is on account of Chaitanya Rupa Atma. Just as the physical light reveals us the form of the object, so any cognition, anything that we know is on account of what? Chaitanya Rupa Atma. So it is called as what? The lamp Deepa. So that in the sense, the Deepa. So the Deepa also means light. Light. Deepa also means light. So Deepa at the light illumines everything, at light illumines. Or if you take lamp also illumines. So these 5 chapters illumine for us the Atma Jnana, the knowledge of our Swarupa. So therefore they are called as the Deepa Panchaka. First was the Chitra Deepa. 6th chapter was Chitra Deepa. So what is the Chitra Deepa? Like the painting on a canvas. Like the painting on the canvas. The entire Jagat is as it were a painting on what? Chaitanya Rupa, Atma, Brahma. It was vividly explained with giving the different stages of painting, and also he has taken there the help of Akasha, space, from different standpoints. So that was the Chitra Deepa, wherein the entire Jagat is on the canvas of Chaitanya, the Atma, Brahma, as it were, was vividly described. So what should be done? Discard or neglect the Chitra of Jagat, go to the basis of the Chaitanya Rupa, Atma, Paramatma, Chitra Deepa. 7th was Trupti Deepa. Trupti is contentment. What contentment? Nirankusha Trupti. The unrestrained, the limitless contentment, Ananda of a Jnani. The one who has got the knowledge of oneself. So one who has got Sakshatkara, not only that, firm abidance in the knowledge, Jnana Nishtha is there. So how limitless Ananda, limitless contentment he has got. So that was described in the 7th chapter, Trupti Deepa. 8th was Kutastha Deepa. In Kutastha Deepa, see, the means, the sadhana of moksha is the jnana, the knowledge of Jiva Brahma Aikya. Jiva in reality is identical with Brahma. This knowledge, direct cognition, sakshatkara is there, one can gain moksha. But you are Brahma, Tattvam Asi, that gives the Jiva Brahma Aikya. What is you? That Tvam, you has to be properly asserted. Because you means what? I. And today, what is our concept of I? A samsari, a miserable creature. How the miserable creature can be Paramananda Sarupa, Brahma? So therefore, what is this I, Tvam, you, has to be ascertained. That Kutastha Atma was ascertained in the 8th chapter. So that Kutastha Deepa. Now Dhyana Deepa, 9th chapter. For those who are unable to take to Atma Vichara, Nirguna Brahma Upasana was recommended. By consistent upasana, the deha tadatmya gets reduced, thereby the mind becomes ready to gain the direct knowledge. So Dhyana Deepa, 9th chapter we are seeing. Now we are entering into the 10th chapter called Nataka Deepa. Here Nataka doesn't mean drama. Nataka also means Nritya, the dance. Nataka Deepa means actually theatre lamp. Nowadays, this illustration may not be that very clear as such, but when the author gives, you will find theatre lamp. You may be knowing in Kerala, no Kathakali or something. Nowadays, all electric lights are there. For that, a big oil lamp used to be kept, and in that light, the program used to be like that. So in the theatre, on the stage, a big lamp is there. There the dancing girl dances, and this is not a public theatre. It is a private theatre belonging to the king. Only to the king. Only king, queen, ministers and special prominent invitees from the citizens only can attend. That is it. And when the performance is going on, different moods are going to come. Only the king is expressing the moods, others are what? Simply watching. They can't know, behave as they want. Who is sitting there? Maharaja is sitting there. So they are what? So that is what? Seriously watching without any expression. Whereas the king can what? He can rejoice, or even if the dance is not there, he may show his displeasure, everything he can say, but not the others. That is the part will be clear when the illustration comes. So there, what is the role of that lamp, theatre lamp? So that is made use to discover our Swarupa. Mainly here, the principal Yud, as you know by now, you are supposed to know. Having studied 9 chapters of Panchadashi, you are supposed to know a principal Yud in Vedanta to ascertain the Atma Sarupa, Brahma Sarupa, which is otherwise called as Adhyaropa Apavada Nyaya. Adhyaropa, you superimpose something, then Apavada, eliminate it, negate it. Why? To come at arrive at the Swarupa of Atma. It's just like, we have seen this example many times, Adhyaropa, Apavada. See, especially in the botanical laboratories, when the specimen have to be studied under the microscope, the specimen is colorless. And when the colorless specimen is looked in under the microscope, the eyepiece as such, what happens? That vividness is not clear. What is done is, some pigment, some color is put there. With that color, what happens? The different parts of that particular specimen becomes very clear. And the one who is observing through the microscope sees that, but when he understands, what does he do? He doesn't take those colors, etc. as the part of the specimen. What does he do? He discards them. He takes the specimen minus the color. Now the question comes, if this color is to be discarded, why at all you had put in that? You should not put at all. No. Without putting that, the vividness is not clear. So likewise, we want to know what is the Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa. Now, Chaitanya Rupa, Atma, Brahma cannot be seen by the eyes, cannot be heard, cannot be smelled, cannot be touched, cannot be tasted. Ashabdam asparsham arupam avyayam. Shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasa, gandha are not the features of Atma. When this is so, none of our jnanendriyas, sense organs, are capable of knowing what Atma, Swarupa. Okay, At least with the mind and intellect we can objectify. No, it is not available because it's the very principle because of which mind, intellect are able to function. So such a one, how are you without objectification, how are you going to know? It is not possible. Therefore what is done is, so what we can perceive in terms of jnanendriyas, what we can conceive in terms of mind and intellect, these are brought from where? From the creation. What is the relation between the Chaitanya Rupa, Atma, Paramatma and the Jagat? So that is struck. Before creation, what was there only? Chaitanya Rupa, Atma, Paramatma alone. Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asit. Ekameva Advitiyam. Then what happened? The creation started. Creation is something which is falsely superimposed, falsely attributed, adhyasta on what? The Chaitanya Rupa, Paramatma. So bring the creation. Why? Can you perceive the creation or not? Certainly. We can see, hear, taste, touch, smell the Jagat. So it is brought. But this Jagat is not the intrinsic feature of Paramatma. It is not the Swabhavika Guna Dharma of who? Paramatma. Jagat is not the Swarupa of Paramatma. Paramatma is totally independent of Jagat. Jagat is dependent on Paramatma, but not the Paramatma on this thing. So therefore Jagat is brought because we are able to perceive. Then what? Negate the Jagat and arrive at the very basis of the Jagat, Apavada. Superimpose, then negate, Adhyaropa Apavadabhyam. They say, Nishprapancham prapanchate. Beautiful phrase. That which is Nishprapancha. Nishprapancha means what? Devoid of prapancha, free from prapancha. Means Brahma only, Chaitanya Rupa, wherein Jagat is not the feature. Prapanchate is being explained, elaborate. This is the rule applied here. So, by Adhyaropa Apavada, the Brahma Tattva which is free from prapancha is being now explained. So, this is a mode of teaching adopted by great masters of the past. So based on that, now here, let us see. First, in Atma, which itself is Paramatma, Jagat is superimposed, is being shown. Paramatma Dvayananda Purna Purvam Swamayaya. Swayameva Jagat Bhutva Pravishadjiva Rupatah Advayananda Purnaha Paramatma Purvam Swamayaya Jagat Bhutva Jiva Rupatah Swayam Eva Pravishat Advayananda Purnaha Paramatma Purvam Swamayaya Jagat Bhutva Jiva Rupatah Swayam Eva Pravishat. Purvam. What is Purvam? Earlier. Earlier to what? Before the creation. Prior to the Srishti. Purvam here is the Srishti Prak. Before the actual Srishti, the creation took place prior to that. Srishti, Jagat has got a beginning or not? Don't think Jagat is going to be all along. Jagat has got a beginning. So when it begins? When Hiranyagarbha is awake from his sleep, what happens? Jagat starts. And when Hiranyagarbha goes to sleep, the end of the Kalpa, Mahapralaya takes place. The natural Mahapralaya. And do you know how much is the duration? Only 432 million years. It is 1000 yugas. Which yugas? Not Satya Yuga, this thing. Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga and Kali Yuga. These four put together is one Deva Yuga. Such 1000 Deva Yugas is the span of Hiranyagarbha. Afterwards, what happens? Mahapralaya. Entire Srishti gets dissolved. You may say, Hiranyagarbha, you worked very hard for what? 432 million years. You certainly deserve rest. You please rest. Let us mind our own business. We will continue. Why not? We can't. Do you know why? For us to continue, what is required? Physical body. Merely physical body is not sufficient. Suksha Sharira, Pranas, Antakarana, all these things made up of what? Pancha Mahabhuta. So dissolution means what? Entire starting from earth onwards, earth into water, water into fire, fire into air, air into space, space into Prakriti, Prakriti into Brahma. What is that term? So, if Hiranyagarbha is asleep, you know, where is Hiranyagarbha? You are trying to understand, you are trying to find out now, where is Hiranyagarbha? Where is Hiranyagarbha? What do you try to find out? That Antakarana, his mind is what? Part of Hiranyagarbha is macrocosmic Suksharira, Samashti Suksharira Abhimani Devata. Samashti Suksharira is his body, whereas that presiding deity is who? The Hiranyagarbha. So therefore, if Hiranyagarbha is not there, what are you going to do? So that being the case. So now, that is before that, Purvam Srishtihe Prak. Before that, what was that? Sadeva Some Idamagra Asit. Chandogya tells. So before the creation, what was that? Sat alone was there. What? This Jagat presently available to us before the creation was nothing but Sat Swarupa Brahma. Same thing is told here. Purvam, that is what before the Srishti. What is this? Advayananda Purnaha Paramatma. The Paramatma, Brahma, whose Swarupa is what? Advayananda. Advaya means non-dual. What do you mean by non-dual? Many times you use the word simply as non-dual. What do you mean by non-dual? That which has nothing as second. Means that and that alone is there. Means Paramanda Swarupa, Brahma alone was there. And its Swarupa is what? Anandaha. Ananda. And what Ananda? Not limited, Parichinna, coming and going. Purnaha. Purnaha means what? Full, complete, limitless. For Parichinnatas, limitations are not there. What are the three types of limitations? Desha Parichinnata, Kala Parichinnata, Vastu Parichinnata. None of these limitations are there. That limitless Paramatma, Advaya, that which was Purvam, which before the creation was there, we can find from this Chandogya, as you have seen. Sadeva Some Idamagra Asid Ekameva Advitiyam. Chandogya said, this Brahma, which is called Sat, Ekam Eva Advitiyam, only one without the second, that and that alone was there before the creation. Also Brihadaranyaka, Vijnanam Anandam Brahma. Brahma is what? Vijnanam, the very knowledge principle. Anandam, limitless Ananda, that is what is Brahma. Also Ishavasya, Purnamadah Purnamidam. Everything is what? Nothing but Brahma only. So that Advayananda Purnaha Paramatma. Now be very careful, listen carefully. Purvam. Then what happened? Swamayaya. By its own creative power called Maya. Sarjana Shakti. Maya is what? The creative power. That power which creates. For example, a rope is there, you mistake it for snake. This is also a type of creation. How did it get affected? Because of ignorance. You didn't, had you known the rope as rope, you can never mistake it for a snake. That ignorance is like a veiling power. It what? It projects a snake there which is not really snake. Likewise, here, Paramanda Swarupa, Brahma not being known as in its Swarupa, that ignorance, that is what creative power projects the Jagat. Swamaya, what did it do? Jagat Bhutva, having become the Jagat. So who became the Jagat now? Advayananda Purnaha Paramatma. Itself became the Jagat. Jagat Bhutva. Then what did he do? That Paramatma do? Jiva Rupataha Swayam Eva Pravishat. Entered the Jagat in the form of Jiva. As a Jiva, Swayam Eva. Itself, that Paramatma itself entered the Jagat in the form of what? Jiva. What is that entry? Of course, we have studied so far. What is that entry? This has come many times. It is not that. 5:30 you enter the hall. Earlier were you in the hall? Before you coming here? No. After the session is over, you will leave the hall. Not that way entry. What is that entry? Come on. The reflection of Chaitanya Atma in Antakara. Chidabhasa. Availability of Chidabhasa. Conditioned by Dehadvaya parades at what? Me, the limited individual Jiva. That's what. So, Jiva Rupataha, in the form of Jiva, Swayameva. Who Swayameva? Advayananda Purnaha Paramatma. Jagat Bhutva Pravishat. Enter. Therefore, who is this Jiva in reality? Who is this Jiva? Advayananda Paramatma. What are you? Are you Jiva or who are you? Who are you? I am not interested in your name, etc. All those things. From Vedantic standpoint, who are you? Oh, acha, you have gone a step ahead. But at least before coming to Vedanta, where are you? I am a samsari, a limited creature, is it not? Always problems and tensions, confusion, sorrows, ananda, sometimes before it comes, it runs away. So is it not that way? That guy is who? Jiva. You know who is he? Paramatma. Amiji, how is it possible? Who told this? Don't say Vidyaranya Muni. This is Upanishad. Upanishad. Found where? In Vedas. Who gave them? Ishvara. You know better or Ishvara knows better? Who knows better? Ishvara knows better. What is it? Me. See, he says, see my creation. Me only. Me means who? Paramatma only. Having created, having what? Presented myself as the Jiva Samsari, complaining against whom? Paramatma. Which Paramatma? Myself only. What creation is this? We are suffering like this. Why did you create? Or is it not? कितना बड़ा तमाशा है ना. That's why to begin with, what is required is Ishvara has told. Will Ishvara say something that is wrong? Will Avatara say something that is wrong? So yes, but I can't know this, I can't understand, accept it. It is not possible. So, though not possible, Ishvara has given this. Like Krishna says, who? Avatara. What Avatara? Paramatma, Swarupa, who has taken a particular embodiment for a specific mission. What you should have? Shraddha must be. I am unable to find, that means verify the truth, but it can't be wrong. Lord Krishna is very particular. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. Not by mere Shraddha he gains knowledge. By Shraddha he proceeds on the path. In due course, knowledge has to take place. But on the contrary, doubt is there in the very beginning. Samshayatma. Therefore, so Paramatma Advayanda Purnaha, by one's own Swamaya, the creative power, himself became the Jagat. Now say, himself became the Jagat means what? Jagat is also not different from Paramatma. And one who is as an individual who is available there, who is Paramatma Jiva Rupena Pravisha. So, Paramatma Ishvara, Jiva the individual, Jagat the total creation. are nothing but only one principle, that is what? Advayanda Purnaha Paramatma. At least that, but though direct cognition is not there, at least this is the truth that should be there in our mind. That's it. That is what is required for upasana. And if that awareness is there moment by moment, our value structures change, our attitudes change, our goals in life what become finer and not the tinsels in the world. So therefore, at least that's why Shraddha must be there to begin with. So, before the creation, what was there only? Advayananda Purnaha Paramatma. Because of Maya, the creative power, so itself became the Jagat. So therefore, Jagat is not different from Paramatma. And as an individual sentient Sachetana Jiva, because of Chidabhasa, Paramatma himself made available. That is what is called Pravesha, entry. There is not that. The Paramatma was somewhere, created Jagat, and he came and entered. You were at your home, came to the hall, entered the hall, not that way. This is what this is, means beginning, what was there? Paramatma alone was there. The creation was projected. See, therefore Paramatma is who? The very basis, what it is called? Basis means adhishthana. The very substratum, English word substratum is used. The substratum, the very basis for entire creation. Same thing is what? Now appears as Jagat and Jiva. So now be free from Jagat, free from Jiva, Paramatma alone was there before creation. Now by creative power, what started? Srishti started, and the same Paramatma appearing is what? Jagat, and also as that is how. So that means Adhyaropa, Adhyaropa is now complete. So in Brahma, free from Jagat, the Jagat is superimposed along with the Jiva, Jiva Rupataha Pravishat. This is so many. Smriti also is there. Sadatmanam Swayam Akurta Taitiriya. Satya Tyacha Bhavat. So that Brahma itself becomes Sat and Tyat. Means Murta, Amurta. Form and formless things in the world. Again, we find Tat Srishtvata Devano Pravishat. Taitiriya Upanishad. Having created, Paramatma entered. What is the entered? Availability of Chidabhasa. Very Chidabhasa. Because of which we are sentient Sachetana. That is because of what? Chaitanya, our Sarupa, reflected in Antakarna, the psyche, the mind, intellect, equipment. Otherwise, see, if Antakarna is part of Suksharira, and if that Suksharira doesn't abide in this body, suppose the Suksharira left the body, you know what does it mean? From a given individual, from a Stula Sharira, Sukh Sharira has left. What does it mean? Ram Nam Satta, I want 2 bamboo sticks. Leke jao. What is it called? Death. Death is nothing but Sukh Sharira leaving the Stula Sharira. Separation of subtle body, Sukh Sharira, from the gross body is what is called as death. So long as that Sukh Sharira abides in the body, physical body, that body is what? Lively and sentient, knocking around, doing 100 things. Therefore, so, and in that Sukh Sharira, one aspect is what? Antakarna, Mana Buddhi Hankara, Chitta. In this Antakarna, what happens? Chaitanya gets reflected. So Chaitanya is all pervasive. It gets reflected only in Antakarna, just as light is everywhere, but only where smooth reflecting surfaces like mirror, etc. are there. Water, still water, there only light will get, sun will get reflected, though the sunlight is everywhere. That's also, though Chaitanya is everywhere, only where Sukh Sharira is available, that water not. Chidabhasa is available. So that indicates Advayanda Paramatma Purnaha by Maya, creative power, projected itself as what? Jagat, and made oneself available as Jiva. Now the question comes. You know what is Ucha Nicha Bheda? Adorable and non-adorable. Is it possible? Paramatma is one or two? One and the same Paramatma is abiding, is available in and through varieties of embodiment. Okay. If that is the case, and why? How do you say so? So that is Swayameva Jiva Rupataha Pravisha. Paramatma itself in the form of Jiva entered. Means one and the same Paramatma is available in all Jivas. How many Jivas? Innumerable. That is the case. So, how do you find this bhava? Puja Pujaka. Puja means what? Worthy of adoration. Puja Yogya. Pujaka, the one who adores. Is it not? So, today, tomorrow, Monday. So, I should go to where? Vile Parle temple, Shiva temple. Is it not? Or where? Why? Somavara is whose Vara day? Lord Shiva's day. Mangalavara is whose? Ganapati? Siddhi Vinayaka. Ah, yes, Siddhi. Mangalavara, Siddhi Vinayaka. Budhvar, I think nothing much is there, I think. Budhvar. Okay, one day, no? One day off. Okay. So, Guruvara, Dattatreya or Datta Guru. Shukravara, Devi. Shanivara, Jai Bajranga Bali. So, Ravivara, Surya. Like that. Are they adorable or not? And me is who? I go, fold my hands, Bhagavan Trahimam Pahivam, all the prayers, etc. I offer. I am Pujaka. And then who? Puja. Or even Parameshwara. See what? Vishnu, this, Ganapati, Shakti, Skanda, Shadanana, Kartikeya. All this is. I am a devotee. I adore. Are one and the same? Do you ever do namaskara to you? At least for a change. Do you ever do? You might have been doing in the mirror just to see how do you like it, how do you appear when you do namaskar. That is a pose, dramatic pose, that's different thing. I think someone, before giving the Vedantic discourse, they used to do a rehearsal with the mirror in front with all actions, etc. Somebody told me, okay, I'm not seen, I'm not verified, okay, I don't know. But like that, when I do namaste, how do I look at all that? How should I smile, etc., provided you are a salesman? So that is possible. So that is a different thing. So how is that? Do you do namaskara to yourself? It's interesting. Recently on Guru Purnima day, Satya Sai Baba said, here afterwards nobody will do pada namaskara to me. Why? You may not know, but I know it. What? You are Bhagavad Swarupa. I am Bhagwan, you are Bhagwan. How Bhagwan can do namaskara to Bhagwan? Do you do namaskara to yourself? No. That's how it is. So that is what is not possible. So now, here, if one and the same Paramatma is in and through everyone, if that is the case, how this Puja Pujaka Bhava is ever adorable, adored, and one who is adoring. The answer to this doubt is now being given. So this Uccha Uttama Adhama Bhava. The doubt is the Puja Pujaka Bhava or Uttama Adhama means Kanishta, Shreshta, Kanishta. This is something contradictory if one and the same Paramatma is there. No. Paramatma is same, but this attitude, that is, this bhava, puja pujaka, has come on account of the embodiment. What the answer is now being given. Vishnuadyuttama deheshu pravishto devata bhave martyadyadhama deheshu Stito bhajati martyatam. The alternating is there in the place of martyatam. Devatam also is there. We'll see that after. Anvaya. विष्णुआद्युत्तम देहेषु प्रविष्टः देवता भवेत्। मर्त्याद्यधम देहेषु स्थितः मर्त्यतां भजति। Otherwise, devatam bhajati. If it is devatam, devatam bhajati. If it is martyatam, martyatam bhajati. Now, how this degree of variation in terms of puja pujaka has come? The reason is this. Vishnu adyuttama deheshu pravishtaha devata bhave. Same Paramatma, when entered in an embodiment like what? Vishnu Adi, such an exalted embodiment of Vishnu Adi for Shiva, Ganesha, Parvati, like this, Sita, Lakshmi, so like this. So when Kartikeya, when it enters in such exalted embodiment, what happens? Devata Bhave, becomes adorable, adorable. Whereas same Paramatma, Martyadi Adhama Deheshu Sthita. Same Paramatma, Sitaha, remaining, abiding in Adhama. Adhama means here inferior. Uttama here is superior. Superior embodiment like Vishnu, etc., it becomes adorable Devata. Whereas inferior embodiment like Martya, we, human embodiment. Adi for animals and all those things, etc., all those embodiments. How many varieties of embodiments are there? 84 lakhs. 84 lakhs of species. And topmost embodiment, do you know what is the topmost embodiment? Number 1, Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is the topmost one. Actually, number 1 is Hiranyagarbha, number 2 is Virat. And in Virat, 3 prominent one, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. And Hiranyagarbha का ऊपर कौन है? Boss of Hiranyagarbha, who is it? Parameshwara. Parameshwara. Ishvara Tattva is one, manifest as this. So therefore, see, we worship after Puranic age, now Hiranyagarbha Upasana, etc., very difficult now. So therefore, we adore in the form Brahmaji. Out of Trinity, Brahma is not adored as such. Shiva, Vishnu are adored. But when we adore Shiva, Vishnu, actually it is not that particular name and form. Shiva Tattva, Vishnu Tattva. He is finally what? Parameshwara Tattva only. Even Brahmaji also is a Parameshwara Tattva only. So that way, when it is in the such the same Paramatma Tattva, when manifests or enters in the Vishnu Adi, that is exalted embodiment, so Devata Bhavet, it becomes the Devata, that means one highly adorable is a deity, whereas Martyadi Adhamadeheshu, human embodiment and lower embodiment like animals, reptiles, birds, all those things, trees also, trees, creepers, all these, Adhamadeshu Sthitaha. So how Sthitaha? Jivaha Bhutva, keep that, Jivo Bhutva, Jiva Rupataha, stanza 1. Jivaha Bhutva, having become the Jiva, what happens? Martyatam Bhajati. Martyatam, mortality, the status of being a mortal, subject to death, etc., limited creature. Bhajati means acquires. Bhajati, one and the same Paramatma, when manifest through exalted embodiments of Vishnu, Shiva, and all these deities, gains the status of deity and becomes adorable Pujaha, Puja Yogyaha, Pujaha. Where in the lower embodiment, same Paramatma gets the mortality, acquires the mortality. Or if it is Devatam, it can be taken this way. So Martyadi Adhama Deheshu Sthitaha. So that means abiding in the embodiment of human, etc. What does it that the Jiva do? The human embodiment, the human Jiva, Devatam Bhajati. Here Bhajati will be adores. Adores whom? Devata. See? Like this, no, see. In the democratic country, everyone has got equal right. How much? 1 vote. Big fellows have got 10 votes, other fellows have got half vote, nothing, only one vote. Now let us say, in our country, the Prime Minister, let us, who has wielded the majority of votes, has got an exalted President of America. He has got majority of votes. He has got an exalted. But when this, otherwise, as a citizen, the Prime Minister or the President or any Tom, Dick, Harry or what? Citizens. Is there any difference in the citizenship as such? No. But when the particular person becomes the Prime Minister or the President of a country, what happens? If this citizen wants something, what he does? Has to go with a petition to whom? The President or the Prime Minister. Is it not? Otherwise, both are what? Citizens only. But now, because of wielding the majority of votes, a particular person has got the status of what? President of the country or the Prime Minister of the country has got the power at his command. Adorable. Not in nowadays, that different thing. So that is okay. But supposed to be adorable from the other standpoint. So that being the case, Devatam bhajati. So this person also is who? Now see. Jiva, who is Jiva now? Paramatma in lower embodiment adores, worships Devata. Who is Devata? Paramatma in exalted embodiment. Both roles are played by whom? Therefore, don't degrade yourself. Who are you? Who are you? Any doubt? Paramatma or Patatma? Paramatma, not knowing, parading as what? Jivatma. Better, what you do? Get up from the stupor, sleep of mistaking yourself as who? Samsari. Generally, a person sleeps. Suppose to wake up, what you do? To wake up a person, what you do? If you are very this thing, then what? Play Suprabhatam. Play Suprabhatam. Or softly wake him. Gopal, please get up. Okay. And because you have to go to school, Gopal is a Kumbhakarna. Then what? He doesn't get up. Then what? Gently you shake him. Even he doesn't do that. Then what? Little briskly you shake him. Then what? Shout. You shout at him. Even then what? Bring a tumbler of water and pour on the वो भी नहीं तो दो थप्पड़ if child, okay, if it is child, not other, दो थप्पड़ लगाओ, is it not? Then what? The fellow will wake. Likewise, so Parameshwara, what does he do? With all love and concern, but देखो, you are Paramatma Swarupa, you and me are one and the same. If these things don't work, gives 2-3 thappads in life. Then what happens? Suddenly, eyes get open. That's why these are all devices to wake us up from this stupor, slumber of ignorance, because of which we have mistaken ourselves as samsari jiva, and then go to Bhagavan for trahimam, pahimam, and do all these things. Save me, this me, give me this, give me that, and all that. So, really Bhagavan is not interested in giving you. Bhagavan is interested, Parameshwara is interested in only making you discover that you are Paramatma Swarupa. But because you are not still ready to discover that, so for some time little tinsels of this and that he may give, but not really interested. Just as a mother is not interested in giving any trash to the child, but this child is so adamant at this thing, without that it will not proceed further. A limited measure it may give, only to divert to a higher pursuit in life. So therefore, So actually both are what? Paramatma only. Puja Pujaka Bhava comes on account of the graded Upadhis. Embodiments are called what? Upadhis. Vishnu Adi are what? Uttama Upadhis. Human etc. are Adhama Upadhis. Like that. For example, space is one. Suppose a great ancient Shiva temple is there. Is it not holy? Somnath temple. Kailas. Holy, is it not? Suppose public latrine, different space, but you will not go anywhere. You would not like to go anywhere here unless some urgent need is there, is it? Right? Space is one. The distinction is on account of what? Upadhis. Here what? A stinking place. But free from Upadhis, space is what? One and the like that here. So Paramatma Tattva is one and the same. Vishnu Adyuttama Deheshu Pravishtaha Devata Bhavet. Martyadhyadhyama Deheshu Sitaha Martyatam or Devatam Bhavati. So now what happened now? See, in this manner, briefly, the Adhyaropa. What was there only? Paramatma Advayantapurna. Jagat is what? Superimposed. Adhyaropa is over. And in that, adorable, non-adorable because of the specific features of the Upadhi. So, Adhyaropa is over. Now, what for Adhyaropa is given? To make us know whatever Swarupa, Apavada. The Srishti, the Jagat, including Devata Swarupa, Jiva Swarupa, and many innumerable embodiments, which is the Jagat superimposed, is being now discarded, negated, to point out the very basis, the Adhisthana. What is the Adhisthana? Paramatma Advayananda Purna. How? That Apavada, negation, is now being described briefly along with the means. Sadhana. Automatically it will not take place. We have to take to certain sadhana. So along with the sadhana, so what is being done now? That superimposed creation is being now, apavada means being negated. What are the sadhanas? How it is being negated? Let us. Aneka janma bhajana swavicharam chikirshati vicharena vinashtayam mayayam shishyate swayam. First line as it is, Anvaya. Aneka janma bhajanat swavicharam chikirshati vicharena mayayam vinashtayam swayam shishyati. Vicharena mayayam vinashtayam swayam shishyati. So what this jiva does? Swavicharam chikirshati. Chikirshati means kartum ichhati. Desires to do, undertake. What? Swavichara. What is swavichara? Swasya atmanaha vicharaha. An inquiry as to what is my true nature. What is my swarupa? What is my real nature? How Atma Swarupa, how my Swarupa is Atma itself as Brahma. So, it's sadhana. What is sadhana? It's sadhana, Shravana, Manana, Nididhya. That is what? Swavicharam Chikirshati means Shravana. That means he intends to take to Shravana, Adi means Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. If that is the case, why not all take to this? Why only a few take to this? Certain preparedness of the mind is necessary. How that preparedness of the mind is acquired, accomplished? It says, Aneka Janma Bhajana. In many, many lives, bhajana. Don't take bhajana means what? Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, or singing the name of the Lord. No. Bhajana here means Swakarmanusthana with the Ishwararpana buddhi. Here is, so that is one who had taken to the performance or discharging of one's own duties according to Shastra, not to gain the phala, the results of action, but what? With the Ishwararpana buddhi, which otherwise Bhagavad Gita calls as what? Karma. Now see, the role of karma. Karmas are necessary for what? For this purpose. So when done in dedication to Ishvara, they serve the purpose of Duritakshaya. Duritakshaya means the adverse results of adverse actions means papas, they are what? Nullified. Otherwise these papas pose as pratibandhas, obstruction in the pursuit of gaining the knowledge. That's why we say, so anywhere in our culture itself is like that. Any puja etc. done. Mamopata Duritakshay Dvara Sri Parameshwara Prityarthe Aham Satyanarayana Pujam Karishye. For what? Mama Upata Duritakshay Dvara. Duritas means the papas acquired in the path which pose obstruction in my pursuit. Because for this what is required? So to take to inquire etc. First thing, that availability of oneself is required. If the person is bogged down with so many other needs etc., no time to take to this. Even if one has got a leisure, proper acharya is necessary, proper frame of mind to take to inquiry also necessary, because many times it happens. Vedanta means, there are many religious people, very devoted people, but Vedanta means headache. No, all cannot expose to Vedanta. It is not this thing. Ramayana, Mahabharata, Kathas, etc. with all, because that is what stories, etc. can take. Yes, for them also that is there. But Vedanta needs certain level of that mind, intellect is necessary. So that being the case, why? So all these are a result of the duritas. They have to be removed, for which aneka janma bhajana. So that was this itself was told. First chapter, 31st stanza. Satkarma paripakate karuna nidhino dhrutaha. So that means the plight of a jiva was compared to that of a insect. An insect which has fallen where? In the whirlpool of a river. Whirlpool of a river. And getting whirled, at times what? Was being thrown from one whirlpool to other whirlpool. Any hope of survival? What happened? Swakarma paripaka. Because of karma paripaka, result of good action, this is what is here is aneka janma bhajana. That he had done, that is karmas according to Shastras as per one's own duties with Ishvara Arpana Buddhi, dedication to Ishvara, which have nullified the what? The duritas. As a result, what happened? Karuna nidhina udhritaha. That insect, a kind person was passing by, and what is he saw? An insect being what? Getting immersed. He went and what? Picked up that insect and kept on. Karunanidhi. Here Karunanidhi is what? Acharya, not South India Karunanidhi. Okay. he is not Uddharaka. He needs Uddharaka from Delhi. Okay. So that's a different thing. Okay. So here Karuna, who is Acharya, a guru. So out of compassion, so what is that? So uplifts and keep that insect on the bank. So also here is a jiva caught up where? Samsara Sagara. And if he is there, and whirlpool of Janma Marana. And if that Karunanidhi Acharya has to uplift him, he should know what? He should himself must be capable of swimming, etc. Nahi to what will happen? along with one watery grave for two. Out of compassion, he went to rescue the other fellow, got caught up and what? Watery grave. In fact, I told you long back, when I was a boy in our native place, a big temple, big tank was there. And devotees of that particular deity from different areas they come. They had come and all that. They were staying for a few days. So in those not self-contained rooms like nowadays, the toilets were little away and near the tank there. Afternoon, the father went to the toilet. The child, 4 years or so, not knowing, the father went to the toilet inside. He came, etc. He saw, slowly started climbing down the steps. Huge tank was there. And went near the, he doesn't know, went near the water. And still deep it is there. Somehow he sank, shouted. The father, he came running. And with panic, he went there, etc., jumped to rescue. Fellow doesn't know swimming. 2 bodies were recovered. No, the one himself. So that is what Swayam Tirnaha Paran Tarayat. Himself has come out of samsara, at the same time has got capacity to, that is what, so that is how, but to deserve this, what is required? So Aneka Janma. So you may say, Ayo, Aneka Janma Bhajana is there, now we have started. So how many more births, etc.? Need not get discouraged. You just introspect. If you have got a genuine urge to inquire, no, what is my Swarupa? How I am one and the same? If the genuine urge is there, you can rest assured you have crossed this stage. What stage? Aneka Janma Bhajana is. Vedanta becomes a headache, then better what? Better take to Swakarma Anusthana with Ishwararpana Buddha, etc. So that what? You can develop it and take to Aneka Janma Bhajana Swavicharam Chikirshati. So Swavicharam Chikirshati. So our intends to take, desires to take to Atma Vichara. How? Not simply, okay. पंचदशी 10th chapter करेगा वैसा नहीं अवगति पर्यंतम until the knowledge is gained. Vedanta Shravana, how long to be done? Asuktehe amrutehe kalam nayet Vedanta charchaya. Every day up to sleep. How many days? Saptaha? 7 days? Like 30 weeks? No. Up to death or earlier, provided you have got the knowledge. Avagati paryantam, up to the point of gaining the knowledge. So, vichara has to be done. Then what happens as a result of vichara is when that ignorance, Maya called here is ignorance is destroyed, Swarupa is directly cognized. So, what remains is Paramatma only. Started from where? Paramatma projected the Jagat and entered as Jiva, then by Swakarma Anusthana got the ready frame of mind, took to Vichara, discarded the Maya, that is ignorance. What remains is Paramatma. In between a big drama. Not Nataka Deepa. So drama of what? Srishti, Jiva, Samsari, back to pavilion. So Swarupa, Paramatma, Swarupa. Paramatma, Adhyaropa, Srishti and Jiva. Apavada, what remains is Paramatma. That Paramatma Swarupa has to be discovered. Om Swasti Prajabhya Paripah Nyayena Margena Mahimahi Gobrahmani Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Kale Varshatu Parjanya Prithvi Sasya Shani Desho Yamsho